Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ilham. I am from YPPI Bale Endah Junior High School. In a small village, there lived a boy named Kaito. Kaito has a dream of becoming a famous explorer and finding treasure hidden in the forest. One day, Kaito decided to start his adventure. He carried a backpack containing food, air, and maps, and entered the dense forest. He walked for hours exploring and climbing hills. After several days of walking, Kaito found a cave hidden behind bushes. He entered the cave and found a locked golden chest. Kaito uses all his abilities to unlock the chest and find the treasures hid inside. But Kaito didn't find gold or gems like he imagined. Instead, he found an old book containing stories about the lives of his ancestors. Kaito felt proud and realized that the real treasure were the ways and experiences that his ancestors had left behind. Stop. Kaito returned to the village with different feelings. He realized that adventure and experience were the most valuable treasure, and he decided to tell his story to the other children in village, so that they too all could learn from Kaito's experience. Oh, thank you.